So we're meeting with Kristen and Chris.
The Chris's, I call them.
The Chris's?
Yeah. They just moved from Brooklyn, and they have the most adorable little son.
Okay, how old is he?
He's like 4 or 5, I think 4.
Okay.
All these houses look old and charming.
You say old and charming, and I think about all the work that I'm gonna have to do to fix
but that's
things
the whole
up.
point, is we can't afford something that's already fixed up. We have to get something that we probably are gonna have to do work on. The Marietta Square area, West Cobb, Marietta, is so perfect for us. Because the Marietta has a little square. Hopefully we'll find something that we can walk to.
Yeah, like
restaurants, walk from the house.
And coffee.
Yeah, and go get coffee, and Wyatt can play on the playgrounds there. Right now, we're staying with my parents in the Marietta Square area.
So our budget's $475.
So I feel like we absolutely have to have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms would be really nice. I want to be in this area to be close to my parents, but we're just ready for to have our own space. Yeah.
Welcome, guys.
Beautiful.
You will see, the minute we get on the other side of the door, this house has some serious challenges. But we'll talk through them. Come on in, welcome home.
Okay.
Hey.
But wait, why does this just stop right here?
This is one of the biggest issues of the house. There is no hallway. So in order to get through the house, you have to walk through all the other bedrooms. It is a crazy floor plan that makes no sense, and we've got to make it make sense. First thing, you walk in the front door and you're greeted by a wall. Who wants that? You have no access to the rest of the house, and you have to walk through every bedroom to get to the other bedroom, not to mention you have 1 full bath.
Okay. So this is a bedroom.
Do you notice we don't have a door?
Oh, no, wait. What room is this?
The main suite.
Okay. And there's a beautiful bathroom. I do like the size of that bathroom.
This is the only full bath.
There's only 1 full bath?
1 full bath. So you walk back through, and now you're in another bedroom.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Okay, but you go through, this is the old railroad style.
So this is the only way through the house?
Yes, you come through the front door, into this bedroom, into the bedroom, into the kitchen.
But this is supposed to be like a bedroom too, right?
This is bedroom number 3.
Oh, no.
I understand your concerns with that, but we have a plan. By blowing through the wall, opening up this hallway, we're gonna gain 2 full baths.
That would make it a little better.
But I have to warn you, we're gonna see the rest of the house, and there's something else that is gonna stump you.
I don't know. I
Even
can't
more
take
than
any
that?
more.
Out of the bedroom,
This is the kitchen.
into the kitchen.
Okay, well, what is that? And why is it over there?
That's the stove. In the living room.
Whoa.
Aesthetically, not appealing, but it's not a big deal. Just gotta get my plumber out here, move that gas line, and we'll reroute it wherever you want.
Look at this amazing family room back here.
This is really pretty. I like this room. The kitchen, I don't know how you would fix the kitchen.
I do. With the new hallway down the center of the house, we'll wall off the old doorway from the bedroom, which will give the perfect spot to move the stove. Then we can maximize your kitchen space with the cabinets and open shelving.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah.
Renovation, construction-wise, you're about 75K.
This house, they're asking $380,000, but I think it's gonna go for over. I'm gonna be honest with you, they already have 2 offers, so if you want this one, you're gonna have to go higher. So if you wind up somewhere around 400, we're at 475. That's your budget.
This seems like a lot. It's pricey.
Yeah.
But it is all about location. This is exactly where you want it to be. All right, babe, I gotta make a quick call.
Okay.
All right, I'm just doubling back to see how we stand with our offer. Great, bye-bye. So we got the house.
Yes.
We won in the bidding war, $2,000 over the highest and best offer. And I found out the sellers didn't want to have to pay to move the furniture, and my clients wanted the furniture. So I used that in negotiations to get it for free.
After 4 weeks, our permits are finally done and we are ready to get started. Here we go.
Okay, this is it.
First step, knock out the walls in that hallway. Mark,
Yeah.
come here. I want to show you this wall at the front door. You see this?
Yeah.
Do you know what this means?
Okay, so basically, this structure here, this wall was not there back then.
So there's a new addition. Then we have a good chance that this was the original car door going through to the back of the house.
So are you thinking this floor runs all the way through?
I'm thinking it does.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
That's gonna be great. You hear that? I think we'll
Punch
be
a hole in
lucky.
there and see.
I think we'll be lucky. Oh, what do we have here?
What is that? I see 2x4.
Yeah,
You know what
there you
this
go.
is?
What is that?
That's my happy dance.
That's your happy dance?
So originally the hallway was here. So that means we don't have to do all new flooring.
I know, man. It's a great thing, isn't it? We have the original flooring underneath.
Yes.
We don't have to do any lacings.
Right.
We can do the repair.
Knock, knock. Woo!
Oh, look at you. Hey now. Yes.
This just feels better, doesn't it?
It does.
I have no idea why they had a wall here.
So I got a call from Uncle Mark saying they found a new problem while installing pipes.
Hey, man, we got that call, and this is where we're at with this. We have issues with the joists. Let me jump down here and I'll show you. We found that they had actually cut the joists to do their plumbing.
Gotcha.
So it was literally just hanging. So that's why this floor was dipping, and we had so much bounce in that. So we're going to have to reinforce that. We're going to have to put new joists in here.
So wait, no subflooring?
Yeah, and that's the additional thing. There is no subflooring. This actual yellow pine is laid directly joist to joist to joist.
You know, when you're dealing with construction, you never know what you're gonna find under the floors, behind the walls. It's almost like opening up Pandora's box.
It is.
Good morning, guys. How are you all doing?
Okay, we're nervous about what this is about.
I would be too, I can tell, I can see it on your face. We had to open up the floor to get to the plumbing. Once we pull this flooring up, if you look at your joists, this one here,
They just cut it where the pipe was going through here.
Oh my gosh.
you couldn't have known it when you purchased the property because you had to dig and open this stuff up before you knew. I hate having to be the bad guy.
That's never fun.
Never fun. The good news is by redoing the joists and floor, we won't have that step up anymore. The bad news is redoing the joists is going to add money and time. I just hope it won't put us too far behind. It's gonna be about $2,000, $2,500 in that range because we have to resupport a lot of the other areas of the floor too.
Well, you have to do what you gotta do, right? Okay, well, thank you.
All right, nope,
Yeah.
no problem. Enjoy the rest of your day.
I think we go this way. Gosh, it's like a labyrinth in here.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to leave breadcrumbs to get out. Chris and Kristen have storage units full of furniture, things that they brought in from out of town when they moved. And all the furniture from the previous owners, I was able to include it in the sale. That's the good news. So we really just need to look at everything, make some good choices on which items work and which items don't. Oh my gosh! How are we supposed to see anything?
No.
You okay, Britt? Okay. I'm just trying to, I'm looking for, oh, shit! Oh my gosh.
She got killed by chairs.
Death by chair. It's 4 of them, huh? I'm just looking for that other sofa. It's under here.
Oh, goodness. Okay, yeah. I think it's a good size.
Yeah, I think that tan leather sofa has just the right rustic mid-century look that we're going for. We can use that. Over at the Chris's, we are still behind, but we're moving along. We're gonna play catch up. The hallway walls are finished. That old bathroom is now divided into 2. Genius. The crew is installing the kitchen cabinets, and then they're gonna get them painted the Chris's favorite aqua smoke color in a few days. So they get a free mantle. I paid just a few dollars for some tile. It's gonna add immense value to the room, design-wise.
Definitely.
You know, aesthetically, and value to the house. This room is so expansive, so it needs a focal point.
Right.
That's what it's lacking right now. You know, we can really make this a moment and a feature for the room.
But on top of that, we have this amazing mantle.
Yes, a craftsman-style mantle like this can set a homeowner back around $3,000. However, by repurposing this mantle from an old job site, whew, I'm glad Mike didn't throw this away. The Chris's are now going to get it for the super low cost of $3.99.
And it looks like it will cover the extra cost from the joist problem.
Yes.
All right, babe, I got you all set up.
I picked this pattern tile because the color works perfectly with the colors in the living room, beige, dark blue, and gray. The pattern also accomplishes my main goal of pulling attention to the new fireplace surround.
So what are we doing? Are we centering them, putting them, even them out, left to right? What are we doing?
Meanwhile, back at the Chris's, I've just been told that we have some shipment delays due to supply chain issues. So I'm going over there to talk to Mark about it. We may be going over a day. I don't want to go over a day. The tile isn't in. We still haven't laced in the floors. We still got to get the wallpaper off the front room. And we still got to give my wife some time to get in here and decorate, right? So can you guarantee me we can finish this in time?
We will get it done in time. We have the backsplash going in today.
Okay.
We're starting on the floors.
My wife still has to get in here and design.
When they're done.
Kristen sent me a floral tile that she really loved for the main bath, so that has been installed. The double sink vanity is also in. The kitchen cabinets are painted, check. And for Wyatt's room, I want to do a camping theme. So I came across this super cute tent that's gonna go up and across his bed. Somebody put the books on the wall.
Okay,
There we go.
I'll get the books.
All that's left to do are the final touches and cross our fingers that we brought their dream home to life. They're coming. Hi, guys.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, so exciting.
So we're getting ready to turn the house over to Chris and Christian.
I'm so excited. You know, I have butterflies in my stomach at the same time, right? Because I hope we nailed this.
Yeah.
I feel like we have. But
we
you know,
did.
you don't know till you see the reaction.
Right.
Wow, oh my goodness. It looks like a completely different place.
The wall is like right here.
Oh my goodness,
Because
yeah.
this was your old entry
Okay.
to your owner's suite.
Yeah.
This door was the door to your closet/laundry room.
Floors.
Oh my gosh, the floors are so pretty. Wow.
I just remember thinking, like, how do you get from the front of the house to the back of the house?
So now for the main part of the house. Are you ready to see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Turn around and take it in now.
Okay, okay. Oh my gosh, wow. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I mean, this is not real. It doesn't even look like the same place at all. Look at how big the kitchen is.